First time we have bought the bike. Remember, I always talk about the €1 tickets. Yes, it's that day. So every first Sunday of every month, you have certain places at €1 ticket price. So one way it's €1 and back is €1. So all you have to do is the tickets will be available, I think 1 week or 10 days prior to the travel date. So you can book it online on SNCF and voila, try out new city every month. We found this castle, or sorry, a church that we are going inside. So what do we do with the bike, right? Well, Rahul is gonna lock it here. This is also our first time, taking our bike along with us when we go on a travel. So he's gonna lock it over here, and we'll just head inside. I'm not sure if it's very safe. I did look up about the city, okay? So, what's the significance? So, this is not just any other city, the Foix. These guys, they come in between the France and the Spain. And do you see the castle here? They did not build it horizontally but vertically. And also, I'll show you some of the streets. They are very narrow. So, for a very long time, what happened was whenever anybody wanted to invade them, they couldn't march their whole army into the castle. One, because it's vertical, and second, because they have narrow streets to enter. So that was not possible. And moreover, imagine a small city that did not answer neither the France nor the Spain, and they were independent. So they were a statement making city. La vie est une fête. Life is a festival. Do you agree? Are you looking at this? This is how people protest here. They bring in, like, farmer especially. So they get all the stuffs and they dump it in front of some public place so that they take them seriously. Oh, pardon. 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 Pardon, no, c'est pas grave. Look at this. Yes, it is stinking. So people do protest, okay, even in European countries. Look at this. They have even thrown paints at the wall.
ಇದು ನಡೆಯೋದು ರಸ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Is this persimmon? This guy looks like Tiger Shroff, no? See?
छोटी बच्ची हो क्या?
Most of the times the museums will be free on Sundays, but some private museums will cost you. So for now, they charged €12.5 per person. That covers visiting this castle as well as the museum, which is right there. So together it came out to be €25, which is not, yes, which is much, but best part, we saved on food because I packed sandwich and my South Indian filter coffee. So I think we can invest on the tickets.
ಗಾಳಿಪಟ ಆಕಾಶ ಇಷ್ಟ ಯಾಕಿದೆಯೋ, ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ, ನನ್ ಜೋಡ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ರಸೀತಿ ಮುಡಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮುಡಿಯಾಡೆ ಹೋಗಿಟ್ಟಿಗಾಡೋ ನಾನೇ ಗಾಳಿಪಟ.
This was their artillery. They would attack the armies which would march towards the castle. Catapult. I'm sorry, it's -1 degree right now, and my mouth and my nose are frozen. Yeah, it's cold. Look at the inspection that is going on. They would write with this. Imagine. It's like chick, 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 chick. This used to be the bedroom. Somewhat gives the glimpse of Game of Thrones, no? The topmost floor. Although it is covered, probably because anybody can enter easily if it is not. But there still is a platform. I think this is where the people would stand and, like, maybe archers and shoot it at the people outside there. I'll show you. Hold on. Another fact that Rahul discovered is that this castle has never been defeated. So this was either transferred, that came into treaty, or maybe through marriage. So this is how the whole city or the castle was transferred to people. Isn't that fascinating? Okay, I'll show you something interesting. Okay, tell me you're not seeing the same. You see that? Usually, when you go for the eye testing, this is what I see, like a house on a far hill. No, no. I observed something, and I don't know if it is right or wrong, but looking at the all the step sizes and the entrance of the doors and all the furnitures inside the castle, it feels like the people who stayed here would be short, like not like average height, or not tall but short, like really short, maybe average 5 feet for men. I think so. I don't know if anybody knows about this. They could clarify me. I could be wrong. With this view, I'll show you something. Imagine. Yes, correct. It's that with this view. Would you like that? Or would you want to try that? Rahul's job. I don't know why did we do masters here. This used to be overhead crane, I suppose, because you see there, they would lift the heavy stuffs using this device. Interesting, right? Look at the size. That's Rahul, and this is the machine. Getting my trottinette, I think it was useless because you see, we didn't use it much, and it's two of us, so we cannot even travel further. Plus the chateau, so we cannot get it here. But yes, it did carry our weight, so okay-ish. But next time, I don't think we're gonna get it.
Très animé avec beaucoup de bruit, de fumée et de mouvement.
This is a
Le
museum.
boulanger, c'est un métier payé. Le grain à moudre est transporté à dos de mule jusqu'au moulin du Comte, sur la berge de l'Argette, en face de la porte de
She's talking right now. Guess what this is? Alright, so our trip almost came to an end. One thing that I want to highlight here is that pack something, because you know, when you travel on Sundays, everything in France will be closed. No boulangerie, no casino, not even cafes. Hardly one or two, but you end up paying so high. Probably it could be a budget of your whole week. So pack at least a sandwich or something that you can carry. By the way, what do you think of my new jacket? I bought it from Decathlon. So I was specifically looking for something that can be like, you know, duet or double. So I can detach this. So I can completely detach it and use this puffer jacket as a separate one, and this is made for the rainy. So both together they offer me around minus 10 degrees. So yeah, what do you think? By the way, I paid 130 euros for this one. Yes, it's expensive.